What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your WhatsApp chats. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp here, and I'm going to just simply choose, let's say, the last message here within the chat. So all you have to do is just tap and hold on the chat, then go ahead and click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side, then click on lock chat. From here you need to press next, then you either use your face or your fingerprint. I'm going to use my fingerprint here. And as you can see, if I scroll down to the bottom, it's no longer there. But at the top, you will see it says a lock chat. Now, this is where the chat is. So in order to access that chat, all you have to do is just simply tap on lock chat, and you need to enter or unlock it with your fingerprint. Then you'll be able to find that chat there, and you can simply open it. However, once you come out, guys, the chat will still be locked. So, and it will go back to lock. If you scroll on, it's it's still not there, right? But as I said, you tap on it, you click here, and you unlock it. In order to remove the chat from this lock chat, all you have to do is just tap and hold on it, then click the three dots on the right hand side, and you simply need to tap unlock chat. Put in your password there, and when you go back, the lock chats will no longer be there, and your chat will be available again within the list of chats there. So that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.